Ever feel like a vital part of your Squarespace content is getting lost? Let's fix that by making your sections bigger and bolder. First, log into your Squarespace 71 website and navigate to the page you want to edit once on the page. Hover your mouse over the section you want to enlarge. You'll see a small menu appear. Click on the Edit Section option. This will open up the Sections Settings panel on the left side of your screen. Within the section settings, look for the Design tab. Click on it to reveal more options. This is where we'll find the tools to adjust the section's height. Under the Design tab, you'll see a height option. This is your primary tool for increasing section size. Click on the drop-down menu and select a larger height, for instance. If it's currently set to small or medium, try changing it to large or even extra large. Depending on your needs, you should immediately see the section on your page expand. Notice how the content within the section now has more breathing room. This dramatically impacts its visual prominence and can help guide your visitors' eyes to key information. This technique is perfect for highlighting important banners, call to action areas, or even just giving your text and images more space to shine. Preventing a cramped or overwhelming layout. Experiment with the different height settings to find the perfect balance for your content and overall design. And that's it. By simply adjusting the section height in your Squarespace 71 site, you can instantly improve your layout and create a more visually engaging experience for your visitors. Happy designing!